Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for March 6, 2015. It is a Friday morning and a cold one at that, with temperatures in the single digits to lower teens over the interior and lower to mid-teens along the coast, with a wind from the northwest around 5 miles per hour. The key here that I really want you to focus on is that everything that was wet last night in the evening when you were cleaning off your car has now frozen into solid ice. So when you're traveling this morning, please take special caution in driving because it is going to be very icy out there. Significant black ice. I'm looking outside my window right now, and on the roadways you could see the sheen of ice against the light. In some respect it's rather beautiful, but it also shows how dangerous it is outside. So please use some caution, travel slowly, and beware of black ice. On the positive side, clear skies are in place, and that means no precipitation. The radar is high and dry with no sign of any precipitation from New Jersey all the way back to Illinois. So that means that we are going to be remaining dry for today, tomorrow, and actually all the way through this upcoming weekend into early next week. On our infrared satellite picture, you can see high pressure is taking hold. You can see our storm exiting out into the Atlantic. That produced some impressive snowfall totals throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, as expected. With high pressure in control, we're going to remain chilly, but we're going to be moderating to only slightly below normal rather than well below normal. For example, today's high is only going to be around 20 degrees. We should be around 50, right? So by Sunday, we actually get into the lower 40s. So we're only about 5 to maybe 8 degrees below normal by Sunday, rather than 20 to 25 degrees below normal, or even 30 degrees below normal in some cases. So you can see we're moving away from our Arctic air mass dominant type weather pattern into a more modified polar air mass dominated pattern, with still temperatures averaging below normal, but at least we're not dealing with incredibly well below normal temperatures. I mean, 20 degrees when it should be 50, that tells you a lot, right? So let's take a look at our latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. I'm going to use the European model guidance for today. And again, today, high pressure is pretty much in control. High temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s throughout the region. Lower to mid 20s right along the immediate coast. For Saturday, high pressure again remaining in control. A few scattered cloud cover with temperatures in the single digits to lower teens for lows. High temperatures in the lower to mid 30s. So here comes our moderation I was talking about. By Sunday, we do have a few scattered clouds, but other than that, high pressure is in control, with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s for lows and high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. So I think we'll see our best potential for some melting of all this snow and ice on Sunday, but also that means please clear your drains, because there's going to be a little bit of a backwash in terms of flooding because you have all the snow melting and the drains are clogged. So please try to drain your drains around your neighborhood. That way you can avoid any type of flooding issues. On Monday, high pressure remaining in control, but look, it's off the coast, and that means a strong southwesterly wind. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 20s, high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. There could be some fog to deal with in the morning as well with that southwesterly wind, so we'll keep an eye on that. On Tuesday, an area of low pressure will pass through the region, rather weak. This low pressure system will produce rain showers, not much in the way of any frozen precipitation. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid 40s. On Wednesday, a few lingering showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies. Temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows, high temperatures in the mid to upper 40s as we continue to moderate. Again, that's going to be a good day to see a lot of melting, also with that rainfall. Again, some minor flooding and certainly some ponding on roadways can be expected. And then finally, on Thursday, high pressure in complete control. Now, notice the difference in the weather pattern. We have high pressure built in from Canada. However, temperatures will only fall back into the mid to upper teens over the interior, lower to mid 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Below normal, but not severely below normal. And look at our 500 millibar pattern. It's pretty much been pushed to the north, and that's because of various atmospheric changes that I will be talking about in the long range discussion today for premium members. Basically, what we have is the polar jet stream has been pushed further north, so you still have a ridge in the west and trough in the east type of scenario, but the dominant jet stream here is the subtropical jet stream, as our polar jet stream is shifted well to the north, and that means all of our Arctic air, as you can see, is bottled up well to the north, but we still deal with some polar air invading the region, which is why I think we're going to see a spring that's going to be cool, that is for sure, a spring that will feature below normal temperatures, but I think that we're pretty much done with our winter storm threat as our 500 millibar pattern changes just enough to keep us cold, but not exactly winter storm-like. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.